If you've been posting videos and you've not been getting views, like the kind of views that your videos deserve, right? Or you feel maybe YouTube is no longer recommending your videos and that's why your channel is being hidden or your videos are stuck, then please keep watching this video because this video is definitely for you. I mean, I was in this shoe some times ago. If you look at my videos right now, I'm actually getting a lot of views right now, and I'm going to be sharing all of the secret strategies I started applying that's making me get views on my channel, because I was literally getting very low views before now, but for some time now I've been getting views, guys, and I'm going to be really open with you guys and sharing all of the secret strategies I've been using to pack these views on YouTube, guys. So I would advise you to stay to the end of this video, okay? Now let me show you something on my channel, guys. Look at all of my videos, right? These are all of my videos. This is the first one. I've gotten YouTube recommendations on all of my videos right now, guys, and this is so inspiring, and I want you guys to share in the same joy, okay? I wasn't getting views on my channel, but I'm going to be sharing that secret strategy that changed everything, okay? So if it's your first time of coming to meet me, my name is Joy. On this channel I share tips about YouTube channel and how to grow your channel very fast. Now this same thing I'm doing for my channel is the same thing that big YouTubers are actually doing for their channel, right? And that's why you want to see that whenever they upload a video, that video starts getting views like immediately. You understand me? All their videos that they publish, no one's that's struggling with views or not. Every one of them have good amounts of views. And I've applied this in my videos and I've seen the difference right now. So you as a new creator, you might not know this. That's just the difference between you and these people. So I'm going to show you everything in this video. Starting from your upload process, it's very important, okay? Because I know how depressing it is to work so hard, post your videos, and you're not getting views. It's really depressing, guys. So we're going to fix that in this video. So if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will get notified and use the solutions I'm bringing here to fix your channel problems. First mistake you've been making is posting with the normal YouTube app. Okay, I'm not saying YouTube normal app is bad, but I'm telling you that there are some features that I've found on a more advanced upload process that you cannot find in the YouTube app. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that in this video. All of these big creators, nobody uploads with the YouTube app. Now, the second mistake you've been making is you have been posting your videos as public. Posting your videos and making it public immediately is what is actually killing your channel slowly without even realizing it. So I'm going to be showing you the secret method of uploading and telling you what to do instead of posting your videos directly as public. Do you understand me? So the website we're going to be using is the YouTube desktop version or desktop site. You can actually access this with your mobile phone. You don't really need a mobile system or a laptop to do it. You can use your phone. All you need is Google Chrome application, okay? So let's go to Chrome right now where I show you exactly what to do, okay? So guys, this is the video I'm going to be using. I'm inside my phone gallery right now. I'm going to change the video title to the original title I'm going to be using on YouTube, okay? So just click on this arrow going up and click on next. Now click on save to files. Are you seeing this part? You have to change it so that your video will be searchable. You will soon see the effect because immediately you change it right here, it will show on YouTube. That means this video is tagged. When they are searching for this kind of topic, your videos will pop up. So the title I'm going to be using is how to set up keywords for YouTube channel step by step. Okay, I just put the title. Let me not waste time with this, step by step. Okay, and then click on save when you are done. So always use your video title right here when you're changing your file name. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, always change your video name to your actual title that you're going to be using on YouTube so that your video will be searchable. That's the first step of success. And since I started using this pattern, I've been getting a lot of views. So you click on save. This is our YouTube studio. Okay, after changing the video name, we will come to our YouTube studio. You can use YouTube dashboard, or as you can see, studio.youtube.com. As you can see on my screen, this is how to get to this point. But before you get here, make sure you go to ChatGPT and write that video title that we just changed our file name to, and say, give me full SEO for my video titled how to set up my keywords for my YouTube channel. Do you understand? It will bring out all the keywords, the description, the other titles that you can actually use, and as well as the hashtags and the tags. Okay, when you get here to upload it, click on this arrow going up. This is the best format to upload your videos. Okay, click on this arrow going up, and you see the arrow already. Click on it again and choose files. Okay, since you already changed the video name, you no longer choose phone library. You now choose files so that you can get the actual name that you changed to. This is a very good procedure for your videos. Now look at it, how to set up keywords. You click on it, that is it, and you click on open. This is it. As you can see, the title has automatically brought itself right here, right? This video is named already. This to tell you that this video is searchable as it is right now. Look at the title, YouTube already picked it. So we're going to click on this A and B testing. Okay, instead of titles only or thumbnails only, we're going to be doing both title and thumbnail, because I have two thumbnails for this video. So click on titles and thumbnail. Okay, now that's the first title, how to set up keywords to optimize your YouTube channel step by step. Click on the first thumbnail and click on photo library. Now let's make this the first thumbnail that pops up. Okay, click on done. It's uploading. Now we'll click on the second thumbnail and click on photo library. Remember, we changed the name of the thumbnails, so this is the second one. We'll click on done. Okay, so for us to add an additional title, we're going to go back to ChatGPT to get our titles that we used. Okay, so let's look for the titles that ChatGPT gave us. Look, I say this is why YouTube doesn't recommend your videos. I think that title is catchy, so we'll just go ahead and copy this, copy and add it right here. Okay, copy it and add it right here, and then you can set text. You can as well add the third one. Okay, but we're using two for this tutorial so that we don't do too much. Okay, now the test is running. Immediately we make this video public, this ineligible you're seeing will stop, because it's still very much in private. That's why it's showing ineligible. It'll start running when you make the video public. So guys, we have set the title. Okay, now this is the description. All I did here was just go and copy the description ChatGPT gave us. If your videos are not getting views, chances are YouTube keywords are not set up correctly. In this video I show you exactly how to set up. That's the title ChatGPT gave us. Okay, let me show you. I just copied and paste because I don't want the video to be too long. Look at it right here. Are you seeing it? This is the video and title. This is the now after I copied this video and title, I also copied these hashtags. Okay, hashtags, and add it. Okay, this is the hashtags. Are you seeing it? That's all you have to do. And then you can add a few links of your older videos that you've posted before to get more views, or to refer people from your present video to the past video, right? So that you can accumulate more views even though the video has been posted in your channel. Look at the thumbnail. It's two thumbnails. They are testing each other. Right now, for the playlist, I'll click on playlist. This is my YouTube growth tip, so I'll put it in my easy YouTube growth tip. Click on done. If you don't have a playlist, you can click on new playlist right there and create a playlist. Okay, you can click on new playlist. Look at it right here, new playlist. Okay, so that you can be organizing your videos. Okay, it's very essential. Then you see this audience, click on no, it's not made for kids. It's very important. If you don't click on it, YouTube will restrict your videos to a specific audience. If you click on yes, it will be showing your videos to audience that are 15 years and below, and you're not going to get views on that. So click on no and make it like that for all your videos. Now click on see more. Paid promotion, no, my video does not concern or contain paid promotion, so I'll leave that box on check. Brand deals, no, it doesn't concern. You see this authored content is very important. Click on no, unless you are doing AI content. That's when you can click on yes. So for me, it's my face. I'll click on no. Invite collaborator, I'm not using collaborator for this video. So all these things, automatic chapters and places, I always leave it turned on because YouTube turned it on. Now look at tags. All you have to do is go back here and get the tags. Okay, these are all the tags that YouTube gave us for this video. We just copy the tags and paste it right there. Okay, copy it and we'll go back and paste it here. So for this, I'm going to be removing some tags from here. I'm going to be removing some tags and I paste the new one. Okay, it's above it. It's too much. That is showing red. You understand? It's too much. The new one is too much. So I already removed some. So video language, English United States, yes. Just leave it. Caption certification, I usually leave it as none. Recording date and time, I don't really add anything there. License distribution, leave it at standard YouTube license. This gives you ownership over your content. Then allow embedding, please allow it. This allow embedding enables your video to be played, as in you can play it anywhere. For instance, you're on WhatsApp, your video can be shown to people on WhatsApp and they will be able to watch your videos on WhatsApp without coming to YouTube, and the watch hours will come back to you on YouTube. So always turn it on and publish your subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Please always leave it on so that whenever you post, your subscribers will be notified, and when they are scrolling, they will see it in their feed, okay? Now, allow video and audio remixing. Yes, this gives people access to help you publicize your video. When they remix your videos with audio or video, it still says created from you because you're the original creator. So YouTube knows it belongs to you. This just gives you more publicity. So yes, turn it on. Category. Please pick a category. My own is art and styles. Whatever category you belong to, please go ahead and pick it, okay? Comment and rating. Say turn it on. Turn your comments on so that people can comment in your post. Are you seeing it? Then moderation, please leave it on basic or you can leave it on strict. Depends on what you want. You have to put some moderation so that people don't comment in your comment section anyhow. Who can comment? Anyone. You can even put it as only subscribers and members. Do you understand? So anybody that doesn't subscribe to your channel cannot comment. But we're not going to do that. We need more people to get into the channel. Okay. Show how many viewers like this video. So click on next. We are done with that. Click on next. Okay. Now we are up to monetization. You have to turn it on if you are monetized, like me. Turn it on. But if you're not, to show you, the next thing to go to is this video element. It's only when you get monetization that you start from here. Okay. So I've turned it on. I've turned on show mid-row ads during my video. Click on next. Then I click on next. I'm not going to add mid-row ads. It's too early. You don't add mid-row ads too early into the video, and you don't do it too late either. You can give it a few hours before you add extra mid-row ads, okay? Add suitability question. My video is safe. This is just asking you how safe your video is. If it contains inappropriate language and all of the adult content, none of this is in my video. So I'll just go ahead and click on none of the above. And I'll submit the rating. So YouTube will now go ahead and check my video to see if I said the truth or not. Then I'll click on next. Now this is video element. This is where you add subtitles, but my own is on automatic dubbing, so it will definitely dub by itself. I don't need to touch that place. Then this add end screen. Yes, I like to add end screen because it directs people to another of my video. So you can just click on this plus element and choose yours. I already have a template which I'm using, and it's this first one, which is video best for viewer. Please always leave it in best for viewer. It's better. YouTube knows what to recommend to people instead of picking a particular video. Okay, click on save. Now checks is going to happen. Click on next so you get checked. So this video is still loading. I think I have a very slow network this evening. It's at 55%, which is not so big. That is the space of the video. It's supposed to be loaded by now, but this is where you check for copyright. It will say good. If it says bad, that means there's something wrong with your video. To check good, okay? Add suitability will also check. So all of these things takes time. And I'm just going to go on next. Now this is the biggest part of this whole upload process. We see private. It say only you and people you choose can watch your videos. You see unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch your videos. Okay, look at what YouTube gave. There's a tip here. It says select this setting and wait a couple hours to see if any monetization or visibility issues are found, then publish your videos. This is where a lot of new YouTubers get it wrong. Because they see a video, they'll just go ahead and post with the normal YouTube app, and then they make mistakes. Even YouTube is telling you to wait a couple of hours, meaning they want to check if there's any monetization issues, if there's any community guideline or anything guideline issues at all, so that you get to rectify it before your video goes live. So please, as a new creator, don't pick public. Don't choose public right here. Choose this unlisted. Are you seeing mine? Mine is on default already because I don't want any issues. I post all my video using Chrome and it's on default so that in case I forget, I know that it's on default. Unlisted is the way I upload my videos. Is later on I will not go and make it public inside my normal YouTube studio, knowing fully whether I've done all of the processes here. Okay, So please, this one members only. I can upload this video and make it members only because I've got monetization in my channel, and only people that subscribe to my membership will watch this video. So hopefully I get a lot of members very soon on my channel, and I'll start creating special videos for them. So if you would love to be in that special um group in my channel, please join my membership, and I'll start sharing videos and some top secrets for you guys, okay? But for the other people, I'll still be sharing secrets. Don't think I will be I'll be biased. No, I'm going to balance both of them, okay? It's just that members can get to see the videos first before every other person. So please don't click on this public. It's wrong. Click on the uh unlisted. This schedule, you can actually schedule your videos maybe for tomorrow or for 2 months time, anytime at all. Is to pick a time and date, okay? But schedule is when you already have an upload date in mind. I don't really have that in mind now. So I clicked on unlisted. So I clicked on unlisted, and then I click on save. Okay. Save video uploading. Your video is still uploading and will be unlisted. Once uploading and processing finish, keep this browser tab open until uploading complete. Are you seeing it? It's asking me not to go because my checks are not done yet. I know it's my video, so there are no checks, but for you, you have to wait till it finish loading. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.